Hello everyone, I'm making a baby keepsake. This customer lost her baby and the pain in my heart for her is grand as I know what she's going through. Let's get this started for her. I've already sealed and prepped her pregnancy test and her ultrasound photo to be placed inside of the mold. As you can see, I'm not wearing any gloves. However, I am taking every precaution I can to not touch this resin. I had a lot of orders to get done, but please practice PPE. My customer wanted her keepsake to look like a cloud from one of my previous videos. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here and in the description. It's a beautiful concept for miscarriage pieces to resemble the clouds. I am so glad I can create this for my customers. I am doing 2 layers of clouds to fill up the spaces. Began making her clouds with this air dried clay. My customer also wanted her keepsake to pop a little bit, so she asked for some blue glitter. I added a little bit, but not too much because I didn't want to overdo it. After the glitter layer has cured, I come back to add the sky blue background. I added a little bit of white pigment to make it brighter and more sky-like. I hope you can see it change a little. I forgot to turn on my shed light this day. After another 24 hours, it's time to add the white vinyl and a top coat to seal the vinyl and give it a nice shine. If you have liked this video so far, please like and subscribe to see more keepsakes being made and other creative resin items. And this is the final look of the keepsake. I hope my customer loves it just as much as I enjoyed making it. Let me know what you think in the comments. We'll be doing a keepsake giveaway soon, so look out for emails from us about them. Thanks for watching. See you later.